First, wash the fresh mangoes thoroughly. Peel the skin off completely. Carry around the large, flat pit. Finally, cut them into cubes and discard the seed.
Cubes. Freeze them for at least 4 hours. Now add your frozen mango to a food processor. Follow with the lime juice, honey, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth, adding cold water only if needed. Give your mixture a quick taste. You can add more honey for sweetness, or a little lemon juice for a brighter flavor. Transfer the smooth mixture to a freezer-safe container. Smooth the top with a spatula. Freeze for 2 to 3 hours. Let the sorbet sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. This makes it much easier to scoop. Serve in bowls or cones and enjoy!